Bonjour et bienvenue. Maintenant, nous apprenons l'interrogation, l'affirmation et la négation dans cette classe. Oui, ça veut dire yes. Non, ça veut dire non. Qu'est-ce que c'est is the first interrogation, a question we learnt in the last class. Qu'est-ce que c'est means what's this? The answer is c'est un chien or c'est une bouteille. This is a dog or this is a bottle. We learn how to ask is this a dog or is this a bottle? Look at this construction very carefully. C'est un mur. C apostrophe est means this is. C apostrophe is originally CE, a monosyllabled word that has become C apostrophe before a word starting with a vowel EST, pronounced as A. That means is in English. So please understand C apostrophe EST is nothing but CEEST. That means this is. We know EST that is pronounced as A. That means is. A conjugation of the verb être. But what is this CE? Sir. What's this one? Sir. CE is a neutral or impersonal subject pronoun when used before the verb être. When used before être, sir takes many meanings like this, these, it, or they. Please remember, sir is a neutral and impersonal subject pronoun. It can be translated as this, these, it, or they depending upon the context. Look at the first line, c'est un mur. This is a wall. An affirmative sentence. This affirmative sentence is going to be made into a question, an interrogative sentence. How do you make affirmative sentence into an interrogative sentence? That's very simple. Make the inversion. That means take the subject and write it after the verb. So if I apply inversion, CE will be written after EST. Now we get ESTCE. CEEST has become ESTCE. This is a hyphenated word. EST hyphen CE. With the pronunciation yes. Come on, repeat after me. Yes. ESTCE. Yes. Means is this. Yes. Means is this. C apostrophe EST. Say. This is ESTCE. Yes. Is this. Say is affirmative and yes is interrogative. Now you may tell me the meaning of yes a mur. Is this a wall? Look at the first line. C'est un mur. This is a wall. Affirmative. Look at the last line. Yes a mur. Is this a wall? Interrogative. This is how we make interrogative sentences in French using inversion. Take the subject and write the subject after the verb. VERB verb. The affirmative sentence will become interrogative, a question. Let's have some examples of interrogative and affirmative sentences now. Read the first two sentences with me. Yes, a mew. Oui, c'est un mew. Yes, a mew. Is this a wall? Oui, c'est un mew. Yes, this is a wall. Yes, a mew. Oui, c'est un mew. Read the middle ones. Yes, a cheval. Oui, c'est un cheval. Is this a horse? Yes, this is a horse. Yes, un cheval. Oui, c'est un cheval. And the last ones. Yes, une porte. Oui, c'est une porte. Is this a door? Yes, this is a door. Yes, une porte. Oui, c'est une porte. Now let's learn how to make negative sentences. No, this is not a hat. This is a necktie. The English word not is constructed with two words in French. Ne pas. Ne pas. Ne is written after the subject of the affirmative sentence and pas is written after the verb, verb, verb of the affirmative sentence. So when I write ne and pas after the subject and the verb of the affirmative sentence respectively, I get a sentence like this. Ce n'est pas un chapeau. Ne, N-E becomes an apostrophe in front of a word starting with a vowel. And so the sentence becomes Ce n'est pas un chapeau. This is not a hat. C'est un chapeau. This is a hat. This sentence becomes Ce n'est pas un chapeau. This is not a hat. Therefore, an affirmative sentence can be made into negative sentence by adding ne after the subject of the affirmative sentence and pas after the verb of the affirmative sentence. This is a hat becomes this is not a hat. C'est un chapeau. Ce n'est pas un chapeau. C'est une cravate. You may add. Now once again look at the question. Yes, un chapeau. Non, ce n'est pas un chapeau. C'est une cravate. Let's have some more sentences. Yes, un tableau. Oui, c'est un tableau. Is this a board? Yes, this is a board. Yes, un cheval. Non, ce n'est pas un cheval. C'est un lion. Is this a horse? No, this is not a horse. This is a lion. Yes, un garçon. Non, ce n'est pas un garçon. C'est une fille. Is this a boy? No, this is not a boy. This is a girl. This is how we make an affirmative sentence into an interrogative sentence and a negative sentence. You have some exercises following. Before doing the exercises, please go through this lesson once again from the beginning to be more confident of what you have learned, and then try doing the following exercises with lot of attention. After doing the exercises, please validate your answers with the lesson you have already learnt in this video. Subscribe to this channel for the latest notifications. I thank you so much. Répondez. Répondez means reply. What's the question? Qu'est-ce que c'est? What's this? What's number one? This is a textbook. Write in French. Number two, this is a house. You must write in French. Then notebook. Then pencil. And continue. Is this a watch? Yes, this is a watch. You must write in French. Is this a bench? No, this is not a bench. This is a handkerchief. Write in French. More questions are on the way. Please continue till the end. Bye bye. Au revoir.